YouTube Shorts are short-form videos that can easily engage viewers with bite-sized content and keep them watching more. But if you're not used to using coding, embedding YouTube Shorts on your website can be tough. That's why today I'll show you the simplest and easiest way to display YouTube Shorts on your WordPress website. To embed YouTube Shorts on our WordPress website, we'll be using the Smashballoon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. The plugin allows us to embed our YouTube videos in fast and responsive feeds like this. To purchase and download YouTube Feed Pro, head over to smashballoon.com. And once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. And now inside your dashboard, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload the zip file for YouTube Feed Pro like this and click on Install Now. Next, click on Activate Plugin. And just like that, YouTube Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can start creating our YouTube Shorts feed, we have to go and activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice YouTube Feed. Hover over it like this and click on Settings. Then beside License Key, you can paste the license key from your Smashballoon account like this and click on Activate. And there we go, our license key has now been activated, so we can begin creating our YouTube Shorts feed. On the left-hand side under YouTube Feed, click on All Feeds. Next, go and click on Add New at the top. And this brings us into the first step. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can create several different types of feeds. For example, you can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, a feed of videos from any YouTube playlist, a feed of videos that you've favorited, and more below. For this video, since we're going to embed our YouTube Shorts on our website, we're going to go ahead with Playlist. Select it like this and click on Next. And now we'll have to enter our YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of the screen, or read through our written tutorial. You can find a link for it in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, go ahead and paste it like this and click on Add. Then click on Next. And now we'll have to add a source for our YouTube feed. To embed a feed of YouTube Shorts using YouTube Feed Pro, we'll first have to create a playlist of our YouTube Shorts. For this tutorial, let's use the Shorts playlist created by Elementor. You can see all the shorts inside this playlist on the right hand side here. To add this playlist as a source, go into the URL of this playlist and copy this portion here that starts with PL. Copy it and head back into YouTube Feed Pro. Paste it here like this and click on Next. And now you can select from one of these professionally designed templates for the appearance of your YouTube feed. You have options like Default, Carousel, Cards, List, and more below. Let's go ahead with the Cards template and click on Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new YouTube Shorts feed. All of the YouTube Shorts inside that playlist are displayed beautifully in this feed here. We can now go and embed this on our WordPress website, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how to customize your YouTube feed. On the left-hand side under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Here you'll find options to modify the layout of your YouTube feed. As you can see, currently we have the grid layout selected, which shows all of your YouTube Shorts in rows and columns like this. Next, we have the gallery layout, which highlights your latest video at the top, followed by the rest of the videos in that playlist below. We also have the list layout, which displays all of your YouTube Shorts in a single column list like this. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which displays your YouTube Shorts in a swipeable carousel like this. Continuing with the grid layout, if you look down below, you can also specify how many columns you want inside your YouTube Shorts feed. To modify this, simply change the number to any number of columns you want, like this, and that change will automatically be reflected inside the live preview on the right hand side. Let's change that back to 3. And just below that, you can also specify how many videos you want to display on the feed as well. Once you're happy with the layout of your YouTube feed, go and click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your YouTube feed, under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. As you can see, currently we're inheriting all of the colors from our WordPress theme. This means that our YouTube feed will automatically match the design of our website. Next, we have the light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme where you can select the exact colors you want for your YouTube feed like this. Once you're happy with the color scheme for your YouTube feed, go and click on Save on the top right corner. And with YouTube Feed Pro, we even give you options to filter and moderate the content displayed on your YouTube Shorts feed. If you want to do that, go into the Settings tab and then click on Filters and Moderation. Here you can add specific words to allow or block certain videos that contain those words. And below that, you can also add specific video IDs to hide those videos. So you have complete control of what you want to display on your YouTube feed. And once again, if you make any changes, go and click on Save on the top right corner. Now that we know how to create and customize our YouTube Shorts feed, let's go and embed it onto our WordPress webpage. To do this, go and click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a Page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to and click on Add. And now on your webpage, you have two different options to embed your YouTube feed. You can either use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we just copied like this, or if you're using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Feeds for YouTube block like this. And with this method, you'll instantly see a live preview of your new YouTube Shorts feed. Now we can go and click on Update and check out what it looks like on our live webpage. Here we are on our live website, and as you can see, we have our brand new YouTube Shorts feed right in the middle of our webpage. All the videos inside the Shorts playlist are displayed beautifully in the template that we selected. And if you want to load even more videos, click on Load More at the bottom. and it will load additional videos directly inside your feed. And if a user wants to watch one of these videos, all they have to do is click on it like this, and they can watch it directly from your WordPress website. How cool is that? But if you want to add your YouTube Shorts feed inside the sidebar or footer of your website as a widget, you can do that as well. Let me show you. Back inside YouTube Feed Pro, I have my feed right here in a different layout. And to embed this onto the sidebar or footer of your website, all you have to do is go and click on Embed once again, copy your shortcode, and instead of clicking on Add to a page, go ahead and click on Add to a widget instead. And that brings us into the WordPress widgets menu. In this example, let's go ahead and add our YouTube Shorts feed into the main sidebar. It's this one right here. And to embed our YouTube feed, we have the same two options as before. We can use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode we copied, or we can use our feeds for YouTube block like this. And once again, we have a preview of our YouTube feed directly inside the widget here. Go ahead and click on Update, and let's check out what it looks like on the live web page. And here we are back on our live web page, and right in the middle, you can see that YouTube feed we created earlier in the grid layout. But on the right hand side, you'll now notice we have a sidebar with our YouTube Shorts feed embedded directly within. And just like before, users can click on the video and watch YouTube Shorts directly from your sidebar. And if you want to load more videos, just click on the Load More button at the bottom, and it will load even more videos inside your feed directly in the sidebar. So we successfully learned how to embed YouTube Shorts both on our web page and onto the sidebar as a widget too. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you run into any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.